To check your transaction history on WhatsApp, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find your transaction details easily. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account you want to check the transaction history for. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen for Android or go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings for iOS. This will take you to the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. Tap on it to access your payment settings and transaction history. Step 4. View Transaction History. Once in the Payments section, you will see an option for Transaction History. Tap on this to view a list of all your past transactions made through WhatsApp. Step 5. Review Details. You can click on individual transactions to see more details, such as the date, amount, and recipient information. This will help you keep track of your financial activities within the app. Now you can easily check your transaction history on WhatsApp whenever you need to.